got a problem here with the well pump that's not turning on. And we've had a problem in the past with this thing. And I think we found the root cause yet again is these ants. We've got an ant farm in here of ants that like to sacrifice themselves for electricity. Now you can see they're running all along this electrical wire here. They're loving this electrical box here. Don't know why. But this is the switch where the pump gets power, 240 volts, and then it goes over into that pump control unit box here, and that tells the pump to turn on. That's way down underground and push the water up. This is a switch that what can happen is this. You can see those ants are all dead on here because they're getting electrocuted, and they're getting in between these contacts here, and those contacts are blocked with bodies of ants, and now the electricity won't go through. So that's what's happening. So I'm gonna have to cut the power, clean this all out, fire it back up, and we got to come up with a way to kill these ants long term. I get my orange light, turn the juice off. No more light, so power's dead. So these are those contacts that the breaker little piece actually moves to remove power, to add power. This thing moves based off of how much pressure is in the tank, and when it's below a certain pressure, I believe around 60, or it probably kicks in around 30 or so, then it'll activate and then let the pump know, hey, you got to get to work, and start to build pressure back up again. And you can see on this gauge, which isn't really easy to read, but that gauge would show the pressure going from about 60 down to 0 or whatever. So what I'm going to try to do here is just seal this thing off until we can find a long-term solution for these ants so that they can't get inside that part there. Just put some plastic bag over it with some tie wraps. Then we'll fire it up and see if we get any pump. All right, go ahead and power it on and see if we get a click. There we go. So power is restored. But short-term fix, we got to get a long-term fix for these ants. But for now, we can hear that click of the power actuator for the well pump, and now the well pump's running, and that little clicking sound is the water coming through, building up pressure in the tank. Hey, I hope this helped you troubleshoot a very simple fix to a well that just suddenly stops working for no good reason. Oftentimes it's in that switch right there. You have two electrical components, that switch and that box there, and you get ants in there and it's not going to work. Hey, if this helps you, give the video a thumbs up and have a great day.